Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So it is Lucy's first time having a bath. So I'm going to show you guys, well, kind of how I prepared her for it, but for kind of throwing her in the deep end really. And you guys can watch how I try to deal. This is my first time giving her a bath. I've had a dog before and I've given my previous dog baths, but that was a long time ago. So we'll see if we can do this today. All right, let's get started. Recording.
You have to stick to there like glue, okay?
Ooh, water. She's drinking it.
She's drinking the water?
Maybe there's too much for it.
Okay, it's okay. So first thing I really should have done was get her just used to being in the sink and get used to the water pressure and work my way up to the actual bath. So this is something that I feel like I should have done, you know, in her first week. Get her near the sink, get her closer to the water, and little by little each and every day, you know, introduce her to the concept of the bath rather than basically put her in at the deep end. And you can see why she is just not fond of this whole concept and is wanting to jump out of the sink at the latest or at the soonest opportunity.
She's had a bath before.
She's had a bath before, yeah, with the...
It's just like but then when her hair needs to be kept hair washer.
Excuse me.
I realise how slim she is. I don't trust myself with her bath on. She slip out my hands or something.
No, she's not slippery.
I'm seeing the best of it.
She's doing so well.
Henry, you jogging me?
Good girl.
Use her teeth and all.
And she will get used to it.
Maybe she kind of looks like a...
You guys, when you get out of the bath, you look good. She's
Okay, it's okay.
We come from there though.
Good girl. Okay, give her another treat.
She's done being dried. Her hair will be like poof.
Yeah.
That's kind of good.
I know.
I don't think she'll like it good.
I don't know.
she'll get used to it. This is the first time she's doing it, so
First time doing it, but I don't know. I have to figure out how I'm going to do that.
But when she gets... He's not used to it.
she'll probably want to cuddle up to someone more.
Oh, good.
That's a,
girl.
that's a feeling.
I think it was an accident, but...
Really helpful.
Like a lady a bit.
Oh. All right.
So I think she's done.
All right.
Head is more smaller now. The head is...
She also did not react well to the hair dryer. It was just way too much for her, poor girl. And I really feel like I should have done a lot more in terms of preparing her for the whole experience of the hair dryer. But because she is a cockapoo, I couldn't necessarily just let her air dry. So I tried to give her as many treats as possible during the whole process of blow drying, but it was just one of those experiences where I'm like, I really should have prepped her better. And then at this point, my husband did double duty here, holding the camera as well as holding the blow dryer while I brushed Lucy. Poor girl. I feel terrible that she was so scared, but my daughter was so good about making sure that she was giving her treats, trying to just associate this as a good experience, and the treat giving was just crucial to make sure that, you know, at least she was still taking the treats. If she was so stressed out, she wouldn't be taking the treats at all. But I think I would take it as a good sign that she was still taking the treat.
to.
Well, here's my small one now. Okay, wait.
Tummy, tummy.
Now, Lucy didn't seem to mind the actual brushing. I brush her every night before bed, so she's at least used to that. So I'm glad that she didn't mind the brushing too much, but the hairdryer I think was just a bit too much for her.
She's used to it. Few months. She don't expect.
Smell a little better, but your breath still stinks. Yeah, we'll work on that. All right, so that was her first bath, and it was mildly successful. Well, thanks guys, have a great day.